Welcome back everybody to another edition of Tech Tuesday. We've got another incredible product here from our friends at TOA Canada, the IR800 wireless classroom system. If you're in the AV industry or even interested in tech at all, you probably know about TOA, the ever-present, ever-evolving company that has been bringing AV technology to the world for over 80 years. I let computers do my math for me, but I believe TOA's founding in 1934 was between 85 and 450 years ago, give or take. Speaking of education I probably could have benefited from, here is TOA's IR800 infrared classroom audio distribution solution. The system is really quite genius. The IR800 is integrated into a classroom by someone like us, Evolution AV, to provide clear, supported audio throughout the entire classroom. This ensures that every student is receiving and absorbing the lesson equally. It's also particularly helpful in overcoming challenges that some hearing impaired students may face by using the assisted listening device for enhanced hearing. All right, I want to try this thing from TikTok that my kids showed me. The IR800 consists of an infrared receiving speaker, generally mounted into the ceiling of a classroom, a wireless tuner mixer that is used to fine-tune the sound perfectly to the room, a student microphone, and a teacher microphone that can be either used handheld or hands-free. On the IR800 Plus system, there is also the available audio interface unit, an additional speaker, and up to 2 more microphones included. Systems like these are exactly why TOA has remained at the forefront of AV production for so long, providing intuitive yet incredible effective solutions to modern-day problems, elevating our daily experience in education and other sectors. For more information on TOA and their product lines, check out toacanada.com. And for more great AV technology and news, check out more of our Tech Tuesday episodes at evolutionav.ca. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, so give us a follow there and feel free to reach out with any inquiries you may have. Somebody will reach out to you ASAP. We'll see you next time.